Charles. Hi classmate, my name is Jimmy Ring F. Blanty. Today we were gonna experiment state of matter from liquid to gas. I have here a humidifier. First, let's open the lid. Second, let's put water in it. Third, we're gonna turn it on. And it's gas now. That's how it works. The water becomes to gas because of the process called evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid turns into a gas because it gets warmer or gains enough energy. That's all. Thank you very much for listening.